Many people ask me, who are we at CWC? And many of you know me as Chantel Cohen, but we are a group of coach and therapists. And people always ask, well, what kinds of people do you work with? And so it's pretty simple. We work with busy, hard-driving professionals who are either in corporate or they may have their own business. And so we work with those busy professionals who honestly sometimes come to us with past traumas. They may come to us with some anxiety or maybe even some depression, relationship issues, life transitions, and especially communication issues or another one, either with their partners, with somebody at work, even learning how to communicate themselves or managing their own feelings that get too big, maybe even managing some anger that they're dealing with. And so we help those busy professionals, business owners, founders become one again, right? So we use our techniques with cognitive behavioral therapy. We also use something called DBT as well, and that's dialectical behavioral therapy. We also use something called EMDR, and that's eye movement desensitization therapy. And it helps people with trauma, especially when they've been through a traumatic experience. And it's really, really helpful. I would highly recommend looking up EMDR. It is, again, it's the gold standard. We also work with people in relationship distress. And that just doesn't mean people who have a boyfriend or girlfriend or we work with people with same-sex relationships, but we also work with founders and business partners who may not be getting along. And so if you want to encapsulate like what we do, think about those busy professionals and people who may have difficulty navigating relationships. And it could be that those people in relationships need communication strategies. If they're a couple, it could have been an affair. If they're a business owner, it could be that they are lacking trust or they are not aligned in their vision together. So we work on the three most important relationships of your life. Your relationship to yourself, meaning that person, you may have self-esteem issues or may have some depression, or we work on your relationship to your significant other, that person that you're in a romantic relationship with, or we work on your relationship to your career or business. I hope that helps you to be able to encapsulate what we can do for you. We use a lot of different modalities, which I just named a few, but we also are here to answer any questions that you may have, just to see if it's a right fit. What's great is we offer a free 20-minute complimentary get-to-know-you session. Go to chantelcohen.com and book a complimentary session with one of our team members. We'll be happy to help you out. Otherwise, follow us on YouTube. We're on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter and on LinkedIn. We look forward to seeing you at CWC Coaching and Therapy. I'm Chantel Cohen, and I help you become one again.